Harry, what an impact coming on as a sub. What was the message from Diz when you came on?
Yeah, just trying to affect it as much as possible, try and stretch them and, kind of just be as much of a threat as you can, really. These are the kind of games that, that test you, really, especially, travelling down the day before. A lot of teams come down here and may not get the same result, so we put a lot of importance in trying to get as many points as we can coming down here.
John, going away, scoring 3 and a clean sheet, what pleased you most about today?
Everything, I'll be honest, because I thought, we had a number of injuries coming in today. We had a suspension, we had Abdi away on international duty, which is obviously amazing for himself. It's great for the club. But it meant that we had to chop and change a few things around, and I think the pleasing aspect is that the work that was done in the summer and the work that was backed by the football club has paid off, because we've come here, did a real professional performance against a very strong Britain Ferry team. I watched 5 or 6 of their games. They're a very good side with a lot of attacking threats, and I think we've limited them to 1 or 2 shots potentially, and we've been very clinical when we've got through. And then obviously Harry Franklin coming on off the bench, it's just somebody who always puts a smile to your face, and seeing him get a hat-trick because of the work that Jason Oswell has to do in the first half is just fantastic to probably cap it off.
Andy, I think game was obviously won in that first 50 minutes after half-time, but is it fair to say that even before then you struggled to break down Nomads in the first half?
Yeah, absolutely. I think you're spot on. They struggled to break us down in the first half too, so it was quite a competitive first half performance, and 9 minutes of football, the lack of energy at the start of our second half, the game's been taken away from us.